Headache again? Don't rush for painkillers because these 5 instant headache relief tricks will calm your pain naturally, and you can do them right at home. Hi everyone! Welcome to Heal DIY, where we use nature to heal our everyday problems. Today, we're talking about headaches and 5 quick ways to get fast relief. Remedy 1. Cold compress. Take a few ice cubes, wrap them in a cloth, and place it on your forehead for 10 to 15 minutes. The cold slows down the pain signals and reduces swelling in the nerves, giving you instant soothing relief. Remedy 2. Peppermint oil massage. Add 2 drops of peppermint oil to coconut oil. Massage gently on your temples, forehead, and the back of your neck. Peppermint relaxes tight muscles and improves blood flow, perfect for stress headaches. Remedy 3. Ginger tea. Hot ginger tea works like natural pain relief medicine. Ginger reduces inflammation and even blocks pain chemicals in the brain. If your headache is due to cold or sinus, this helps even more. Remedy 4. Drink water with electrolytes. If your headache starts after being in the sun or skipping water, dehydration is the reason. Drink a full glass of water or add a tiny pinch of Himalayan salt to restore electrolytes. Your brain needs water to relax. Remedy 5. Pressure points and neck stretch. Press the soft area between your thumb and index finger for 10 seconds and repeat on both hands. Then, rotate your neck in slow circles. This releases muscle tension and instantly improves blood circulation to your head. These simple home remedies can quickly stop your headache without pills. So next time headache strikes, you know what to do. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to Heal DIY, and comment which remedy helped you the most. Take care and stay healthy naturally.